Welcome to 160 Log Cabin Road in Siler City, North Carolina. 160 Log Cabin Road is an extraordinary opportunity to own a state-of-the-art equestrian facility just minutes from the city limits of Siler City. The property offers surprising privacy to be so close to town, and the large 40-acre tract provides the potential for other beautiful home sites. The equestrian facilities are state-of-the-art. The expansive 214 by 72-foot fully lit arena with attached MD Barnmaster barn was professionally crafted with details in mind, including the exceptional floor with drainage base and gravel, sand, and GGT footing mixed in. There's foam core PVC pipe throughout to protect both rider and horse. There are 8 12 by 12 matted stalls, and each has tie rings, back doors that open, stall screens, individual water with overhead shutoffs, drainage, and T8 lights with double white polycarb overhead, which gives 85% light transparency, eliminating the use of lights during the day and early evening. There's the covered 50 by 32 matted hay storage with ample room for many bales, and a 16 by 16 foiling stall with sliding doors, rubber mats, and 2 sets of lights, including one for the cameras. The 12 by 16-foot tack room has rubber mats over concrete and includes a washer, hot water heater, and large sink. The 12 by 16 grain room is matted so it could be another stall, but has plenty of storage. There are also multiple outbuildings and barns. The new barn, built December of 2015, is a 12-gauge steel 51 by 54-foot barn with 6 12 by 12 matted stalls, 2 12 by 16 matted stalls, full screen sliding stall doors, and 2 paddocks with 10 by 20-foot anchored steel run-in sheds with lined walls and 4-strand electric Gallagher fencing. There's also a nice paddock next to the pond that looks back to the other covered carports and cabin home. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath cabin-style home has scenic pond views and ample parking with an all-new graded driveway. There's a beautiful stone fireplace, kitchen, 2 bedrooms upstairs with full bath, and downstairs has a full kitchen, large great room with fireplace, and full bath. This professional equestrian facility and home on 40-plus acres in Chatham County is ready for your horse business and priced well below a recent appraisal. Call Frank Gombatz or Gardner Reynolds today for more information. Legacy Farms and Ranches of North Carolina, a premier marketing platform for farms, ranches, and recreational properties.